Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I posted a video, and the reason for that is, well, actually one of the main reasons is my camera guy was on a massive vacation. Great for him, but another reason, more specifically, is that I moved. I moved out of my old apartment into a brand new penthouse, no big deal. And what we have in this building, which I am a massive fan of, to my fortune, we have an extra bedroom here with like 16-foot floor-to-ceiling windows that I'm going to be using as my new home office and YouTube studio. And right now, it's completely bland. There's nothing in here, but that is the goal for today's video. Today, we're going to be taking this space that I'm sitting in right now and turning it into my dream home office. And hopefully along the way, you guys can help and maybe drop some design tips below. But anyways, guys, we're back on track with the finance videos now, but first, let's deck out the new studio. First things first, we're gonna need a carpet. For me, oddly enough, I work barefoot, as weird as that sounds, and I need something under my feet while I'm working. Secondly, do I really think I'm a finance guy without a massive freaking monitor? No, I have to have the widescreen monitor, that's going in second. And obviously, I'm gonna need to hook something up to this monitor, so I've got a mouse, a keyboard, and a laptop. Now, for any content related things, I'm also going to need a mic mount and a mic to record for podcasts, etc. And of course, I have to work with a decent sound system, so I've got a subwoofer and two nice speakers to hook up to everything. And if you're not sure what that is, that's a filing cabinet. And in my business, every physical document we have is required by law to be in a locked filing cabinet. For me, it's extremely convenient to be able to see my iPhone without having to touch it. That way I don't get distracted. So I have an iPhone holder that shows me my notifications. Because I'm really going for the sophomore and high school look, I'm deciding to put some funny neon lights in the room to really jazz it up a little bit. And of course, we're gonna need somewhere to put all this stuff. So I have a standing automatic workstation that rises up and down. That's not what this is at all. It's a standing desk. So I actually bought an electronic powered desk that rises up and down so it can be both a sitting desk and a standing desk. So let's get started putting this all together. Now, first things first, it might not seem like I have a lot. And the nice thing about a window being your entire wall is that you don't need much decor because the skyline is exciting enough. Now, in the old studio, we had a ton of random decor all over the walls. And for context, the place you guys have been watching my videos for over a year now is not my company's office or my house. It's actually a random building that my friend uses to film YouTube videos. And it's nice because now I'm gonna be filming and documenting my journey as a financial advisor and investor in the actual place that I do those things every single day. Now, I'm not sure about you guys, but for me, working from home has been an absolute dream. When 2020 happened, we weren't meeting clients face to face for obvious reasons, so we said bye to the office and we actually decided to start working from home where we were all doing our work over Zoom. And as you may have heard me say a million times, wealth has different forms. Time and money obviously being two of the more common ones. I now spend way less time driving around, which is a tremendous wealth enhancer on my lifestyle because it frees up time to do the things I like or to work more. And it also obviously saves me money because I don't have those overhead expenses. Honestly, if it worked for my clients, I would be more than down to work from home indefinitely. I think that would be fantastic. But anyways, enough of me rambling. It looks like I am just about done here. So guys, we finally got everything in the room and I'm loving it. It's looking great so far, but there's one thing that we have to do to absolutely make the space pop. And I've honestly wanted to do this ever since I started to YouTube. Lighting. Yes. Mom, we made it. This is it. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is the new YouTube space. This is where we're gonna be filming videos from now on. It's a bit more me. It's not really this studio that I was using somewhere else in my city. It's actually in my own office and living space. Thank you so much again for following along. And don't you worry, there are more finance videos just around the corner. If you enjoyed this video whatsoever, or if you even have any tips on how I should deck this place out and make it even cooler, let me know in the comments below. Hit like, hit subscribe, and like always, turn on post notifications for more videos just like this one every single week. Until next time.